Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. This week last week I ordered a tripod because I needed to stop putting my phone on random places and I wanted to really invest in this YouTube channel. And yeah, if you want more info, just let me know. I'll put it down below. So this week I wanted to get everything kind of situated. I'm really big on organizing and cleaning. I reorganize our room at least like once a month or twice a month at that. But I'm gonna be starting school soon. I actually currently am in school. This is actually a week before, but I wanted to get everything situated, organized, and tidy before I left for school so that I could just grab my stuff and go. And that was a priority this week. I'm very particular about my space. It has to I need to have everything organized. And I'm pretty sure there's other people like this, but I really do enjoy organizing and cleaning. I actually helped my boyfriend's mom organized some stuff this week as well. I didn't get to record it, but yeah. I ended up going thrifting. I'll show you guys in the next video, but this blanket right here, I actually thrifted it. I want to start a collection of blankets, and this is my second one. I think it's crazy how you could just reorganize and move things around in a room and it could feel completely different. I'll let Leslie explain what's going on this week. So we just got home. Was home. I just finished cleaning up everything. Today me and my boyfriend woke up early and I went to go take him to the airport because he has soccer trials. Let's wish him luck. And after that, I dropped him off early. It was like 7 in the morning. I waited and then I drove to IKEA because I wanted a water thing. I don't know if I want to put it before or after this. And so I got that, and I ended up buying a pillow too. It was on sale because me and my boyfriend, we have pillows obviously, but that long one, that is not for sleeping. That's just for when we sit down right here. And then it was this one and this one right here, but this one's way too big. Literally, this how I'm sitting right now is how I'd be sleeping with this pillow. So I got another pillow and drove back home and just waiting on my boyfriend to text me that he landed. And I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. Probably get food. I haven't eaten yet, so gonna do that, watch some TV, and then probably edit some videos, the ones that I'm gonna post before this one. But yeah, that's my day. I don't know if it's gonna continue, but if it is, let's go. Just like I said before, I ended up staying in, editing, just showing you guys what I ended up doing today, what it looks like. And yeah, if you guys want to watch this video, you could go ahead on my channel, catch that, and go ahead and like and subscribe too if you want. Self-promotion there. Okay, moving on. So basically, what I want to start doing, and is something that I think will help me in my mental health, is having routine. It's been a really long time since I've been able to create routine in my life, and I think that's what's missing. I really enjoy waking up early, but lately it's been kind of tough. I think I just need to, again, make a routine out of it and prioritize waking up early, getting my stuff done for myself, just brushing my teeth. My boyfriend actually got me this back stretcher thing because like I actually got in a car accident where they hit the back of my car and it got whiplash, and so this really helps my back. And yeah, my boyfriend got it for me from Amazon. I'll link it down below if anybody's interested. But yeah, I try to obviously brush my teeth, wake up, and something that I'm encouraging myself to do is to drink a full bottle of water in the mornings, just because it helps me to increase my water intake throughout the day. I also want to start doing my hair. My hair falls out a lot because I bleached it, and like obviously bleach damages your hair, and that's why I have hair fall out. And I don't really do it that much, and I put it in buns, but I really want to make it a habit of doing my hair every morning. Anyways, here I'm doing my laundry. I don't know if you guys do this, but I'll literally leave 2 full baskets of laundry and wait to wash it all, because I feel like it's a waste to do like small loads, even though I use the speed wash setting. Anyways, that was day 2, and this was day 3. I ended up just going to get breakfast. I have been obsessed with matcha lately. I get on these like matcha kicks or like coffee kicks. It'll be like a couple months of matcha, and then it'll be a couple months of coffee, and like switch in between them whenever like I have those like obsessions with it. But yeah, I ended up just getting a matcha, and then after this I wanted to go see my dog. My dog's at my parents' place, and I always miss him, and I'm sure he misses me too. Here's my sister's dogs. The white one is Everest, and this new one is Messy. Here's my dog and my cat, or my brother's cat. I got him that cat. His name is Haku. He's pretty cool. And that's my little bean. That's pretty much it for this week. I ended up helping my boyfriend's mom the rest of the week and picked up Jorge. But other than that, that was pretty much my week. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope to check in with you guys next week as well. Thanks guys. See you in the next one.